This is impossible. It can't be. 170 pounds, 2 months before my debut? No!
Hello, Jade.
Hey, I need you and Angel right now.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Don't speak when you spit your venom, keep it shut. I hate it when you hit.
There's a girl who's about to have her debut and she wants everything to be perfect, most especially her body. She weighs 170 pounds and she wants to weigh only 140 pounds in her debut. It's only 2 months before her debut and she starts to exercise constantly. She also makes sure that she only takes 2,500 calories a day and burns an average of 25 calories per pound through her workout. Will she reach her goal upon her debut? How long will it take to reach her goal?
Current weight is 170 pounds, so that is W is equal to 170 pounds at T is equal to 0. From now on, I would limit my calorie intake to 2,500 calories per day only, and I'll make sure to burn 25 calories over 3,500 pounds per day.
Will I reach my goal after 2 months? If not, how long will it take for me to weigh 140 pounds?
We did our own research on how to solve for weight loss, and we arrived at this equation.
Out before I lose my mind. I can't
From the equation, the rate at which the weight changes over time is equal to the daily calorie intake minus the daily amount of calories burned times the weight. So, as W decreases, the rate at which the weight changes also decreases. Factoring the constants, we will then have dW over dt is equal to negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3 times W minus 100. Thus, we arrived at the equation used for Newton's law of cooling, where our H is equal to negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3, our U is equal to W, and our U sub A is equal to 100. And this is actually the equation used for Newton's law of cooling.
Solving Newton's law of cooling, we will have dW over W minus WA equals h dt, since it is variable separable. Integrating both sides will give us ln W minus WA equals ht plus C1. Getting the e of both sides will give us W minus WA equals C1 e to the ht. Substituting our given values will give us W equals 100 plus C1 e to the negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3t. And to get C1, we will substitute W equals 170 pounds at T equals 0. So, C1 equals 70. Therefore, our general equation is W equals 100 plus 70 e to the negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3t. Since we want to find what her weight would be after 2 months, T would be equal to 60 days. Substituting T equals 60 to our general equation, we would obtain W equals 100 plus 70 e to the negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3 times 60. Inputting that to the calculator will give us 145.60 pounds, which is greater than Jade's goal of 140 pounds. Therefore, she will not reach her goal at the end of 2 months.
Knowing that she didn't reach her goal in 2 months, when will she then reach it? When W is equal to 140 pounds, what is T? We then have 140 is equal to 100 plus 70 times e to the negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3t. Simplifying this, we have 40 is equal to 70 times e to the negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3t. Further simplifying, we then get ln of both sides, resulting to negative 0.56 is equal to negative 7.14 times 10 to the negative 3t. Therefore, T is equal to 78.38 days, or approximately 78 days.